They say time waits for no one. And that's true because time doesn't stop when you are tired. It doesn't pause when you are broken. It doesn't care if you are ready or not. It just keeps moving silently, second by second, moment by moment. And one day you will realize the time you thought you had is gone. That's when regret whispers, if only I had started earlier. Before we move ahead, thank you for subscribing to our channel Shaping Greatness. Your support inspires us to create stories that help you grow, push your limits, and awaken the greatness within. Time is the only thing that truly equal for everyone, no matter who you are, a king or a common man, a billionaire or a beggar. You wake up with the same 24 hours every day. But what makes people different is how they use those hours. Some people spend those 24 hours dreaming, planning, and working for their goals. Others waste them overthinking, scrolling on their phones, or waiting for the right time. But the truth is, time never stops for anyone. Every minute that passes takes a part of your life with it. And once it's gone, it never comes back. Every sunrise is a new opportunity to begin again. And every sunset is a reminder that one more day from your life has ended. So don't count the days, make the days count. We often chase money, fame, or power, but forget that time is more valuable than all of them. Because if you lose money, you can earn it back. But if you can lose time, no amount of money can bring it back. Think of it this way: every morning, life deposits 86,400 seconds in your account, and every night, whatever you didn't use disappears forever. There's no saving, no borrowing, no returning. So many people wasted their precious hours on meaningless things: gossip, jealousy, laziness, and then regret later, wishing they had more time. The richest people on earth are not those with money, they are those who use their time wisely. We often underestimate the power of 1 second, but 1 second of focus, one decision, one extra step can change everything. Olympic races are won and lost in fractions of a second. A single second of courage can help you speak up, start something new, or change your life forever. A single second of hesitation can make you miss the chance that never comes again. Every day, life gives you tiny moments, chances to grow, to learn, to move closer to your goals. But if you ignore them, you are gone. That's why successful people don't wait for big moments. They make every second meaningful because they know the small efforts today create the big victories tomorrow. Every second you waste is a second that someone else is using to get ahead. Excuses are comfortable but dangerous. They make you feel safe while silently stealing your time and dreams. We keep saying, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes because when it does, it becomes today, and we say the same thing again. The truth is, most people are not short of time, they are short of focus. Hours disappear scrolling through reels, arguing online, or worrying about things that don't matter. And later, they wonder why their dreams are not working out. You can't reach your destination if you keep stopping at every distraction. Protect your time like a diamond because once it's gone forever. If you want to change your life, start by changing how you spend your time. Every great person you have ever heard of, from APJ Abdul Kalam to Elon Musk, Steve Jobs to Swami Vivekanand, all had the same 24 hours as you. But they treated their time differently. They didn't waste it trying to impress others. They didn't wait for the mood to work. They respected time and time respected them back. Kalam used every minute to learn and create. Elon Musk divides his days into 5 minute slot. Steve Jobs said, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Their success was not built on luck. It was built on discipline and respect for time. When you respect your time, the world starts respecting your work. Time is always moving. It doesn't care if you are ready or not. It won't stop because you are tired, scared, or confused. Every moment you hesitate, time moves forward without you. So many people waste their best years waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect plan, waiting for feel ready. But the truth is, you will never feel completely ready, and while you wait, your dreams fade, your chances vanish, and your regret grow. Time doesn't pause for anyone, not even the strongest or the wisest. If you don't start now, you might never start at all. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. At the end of your life, it won't matter how many years you lived. What will matter is how deeply you lived them. Every day is a blank page. You decide what you will write on it. Excuses or efforts, dreams or distractions, even the smallest actions, reading one page, exercising for 10 minutes, talking kindly to someone. They all add up and shape your destiny. Don't wait for big moments to make your life meaningful. Meanings hides in the little things you do daily. Waking up early, being grateful, learning something new, helping someone in need. And one day, when you look back, you will realize time didn't fly. You did. Don't just live your time, make your time alive. Time is the most honest friend and the most ruthless teacher. It gives you chances but never gives them twice. It rewards those who respects it and leaves behind who's ignoring it. So stop waiting for motivation, stop waiting for the right time. The right time is this very second, right here, right now. Use it, live it, because your time is your life, and what you do with it defines who you become.